Welcome to JJ International. I am Jaime Salazar, licensed U.S. Customs broker. Today we're diving into one of the most stressful moments an importer can face when U.S. Customs detains or seizes your goods. Whether you're dealing with a detention, seizure, or forfeiture, this tutorial will walk you step by step through the process under Title 19 Code of Federal Regulations Part 162 so you can protect your shipment and your business. Before we begin, I want to give a sincere thank to all our loyal subscribers and give a warm welcome to our newest supporters. JSG International exists because of viewers like you, people who value clear, honest insights into the U.S. Customs and Immigration and other federal laws. So, if you find value in our content, don't forget to share this video and let's grow this informed community together. And at the same time, it would help us grow more. Thanks to everybody. So today, we're going to talk about seizures. What is a detention? What is a detention versus a seizure? Let's start with the difference, okay? A detention happens when CBP holds merchandise for inspection, okay, or investigation. It's temporary, but must be resolved quickly. A seizure occurs obviously when CBP believes the goods violate U.S. laws or regulations, such as smuggling, misclassification, undervaluation, or IPR violations or forced labor. IPR stands for intellectual property rights violation or forced labor. Dealing with a detention notice, which is covered under Title 19 CFR 151.16. If your goods are detained, you receive a notice of detention from CBP, and obviously CBP has 5 business days to issue this notice after the day the merchandise is presented for examination. The importer has 30 days to respond with documentation to resolve the issue. If not resolved, the goods may be deemed abandoned or escalated to seizure. Okay. Common reasons for detention: country of origin marking issues, suspicious. If there's a suspicion of forced labor content, incomplete or incorrect invoices, intellectual property rights concerns, counterfeit goods. What happens when? What happens in a seizure? Say, if CBP, Customs Border Protection, seizes your shipment, again you receive a notice of seizure and information for claimant. You have 30 days to file a petition under Part 171 requesting remission or mitigation. If you miss the deadline, CBP will move forward towards the forfeiture, and you will lose the goods permanently. Petition must include detailed explanation of what happened, legal argument and evidence showing compliance or good faith, proof of corrective action, supporting documents like invoices, photos, contracts, and correspondence. Let me give you a real case example. In 2024, a shipment of electronics from China was detained for missing FCC labeling, which is the Federal Communications Commission labeling. The importer failed to respond in time, and the goods were seized with legal assistance and well-prepared petition under 19 Code of Federal Regulations Part 171. The importer recovered part of the shipment but lost over $75,000 due to delays and legal fees. Okay, so you have to really, really, really be careful when you're dealing with uh, with seizures and detentions. Customs expects for full compliance, and they expect for the importer to act accordingly. Um, how do you protect yourself from this kind of actions? Um, so again, respond to every CBP notice immediately. That's the number one. You have to do that, and obviously work with a licensed customs broker or attorney to file a petition. Always maintain full records, um, invoices, packet lists, compliance documentations. Know your supply chain and avoid risk of your goods. Consider submitting prior disclosure if the violation was your fault. Okay, and again, CBP expects good faith. Even if the violation was unintentional, CBP looks at your records, your cooperation history, and efforts to comply. Being proactive can reduce or eliminate penalties under CBP. Um, but again, being like that, you can have a penalty mitigation. Okay, so make sure that you respond as soon as possible, and just be aware of who you do business with as well, your providers, your service providers, who you buy from. If your shipment is ever detained or seized, don't panic, but don't delay it either. Act fast, know your rights, and follow the process under Title 19 Code of Federal Regulations Part 162. Okay. Like and share and subscribe to JJ International for more critical trade law tutorials. This is Jaime Salazar. Thank you for watching, and stay compliant. And I'll see you in the next video.